Good morning, everyone. We are bright and early at the QUARTZSITE big white RV tent.
And it's cold.
And it is cold.
But we are going to be warm.
Yeah, we got a little heater for Ninette last night, so she's pretty excited. Our next door neighbor, Jim, said that the temperature this morning was 28.
Yes, you can see your breath.
Yeah. Anyway, can't see it now. So we are here with RV Life. Our booth number is 319. So come by and see us.
This is the 7th day.
7th day.
Yay.
Yep. We're starting off. Lots of vendor interviews today. So we're going to go check things out and see what we can find that's different than what we've done in the past. You know, in the past, we have a playlist that's just about QUARTZSITE. We have all kinds of walkthroughs with the tent. A lot of people are the same ones that have come before. And so those are all documented in those videos, so you can always go back and watch those because that portion of it has not changed. I've seen a lot of those individuals here this year, especially our work camping one. There are a few new ones we're going to add out, put in.
Fireworks.
But in the past, the ones that we've done in the past are still valid. So make sure you check out that work camping video for especially last year. But anyway, we have new stuff coming, so hang on and let's get started.
Good morning, Eric Jason from Roadmaster. We're in QUARTZSITE, Arizona, and we're set up with 40 feet of display of our products. Roadmaster is a 50-year-old company, made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. Let me take you through some of our products. Right over here, we've got the king of the show. This is our lit tow bar. This tow bar is aluminum housing, stainless steel inner arms with integrated LEDs doing turn signal, brake, and tail lights. Right behind it's the brand new Guardian XL. That protects the front of the vehicle. When you're towing, when you're not towing, pull a couple pins and take it off. We even make a product called the Stowaway to store it on the back of the motorhome. We have a full line of towing products to tow your car behind your motorhome, and we make 3,500 different base plates to fit the vehicle you want to tow. We also have a full line of trailer products. Over here is our Comfort Ride. This is an independent suspension with shocks for a travel trailer or fifth wheel. We make them for 5K axles, 7K axles, and 8K axles. 75% reduction in the earthquake that's happening back there.
Yeah, well, it's an earthquake going down the road, right?
Absolutely. We also make steering components. Make your truck, SUV, or motorhome handle better. Put a steering stabilizer on it. Upgrade from a factory sway bar to a Roadmaster sway bar.
You can see the difference there for sure.
Absolutely. We also have the track bar, Ford and Workhorse. Do you have a spare tire on your motorhome? Probably not. Right over here, this is our spare tire carrier. Very unique design, allows you to carry a 16-inch all the way to 24-inch wheel and tire combination. If you need it, you draw it down, take the wheel off, put the dead soldier back on, put it up, stores on the back of your coach. 10,000 pound hitch extension, so you can still use your trailer or tow bar. Again, all made in the USA. Roadmaster, we stand behind our products.
Hey, I'm Tony Peterson. I'm with Outdoor Adventure Products. We're here at QUARTZSITE RV Show. I'm representing Tire Minder. We have the top-of-the-line tire pressure monitoring systems, as well as I have the latest and greatest Bi-Air portable air compressors. We're here trying to make everybody safe, keep their tires on the road, make it so that you're not having blowouts, overheated. We've got a tire pressure monitoring systems. These little transmitters just screw right on each one of your valve stems, and you're able to either see it all at once on a monitor, or you're able to see it Bluetooth on your phone to where you can drive peacefully as you're driving down the road.
Hi everybody, I'm Greg, RV LED Lights. We make motion lights and porch lights and LED lights for your RV, and I'm probably the only OEM here. I'm a designer of LED products for the RV industry. And we're here in Quartzsite with my dog Muffin. That's Muffin.
Hey, Muffin.
Yeah.
Oh. So you were mentioning how, especially for ham radio people, right? Radio interference that lights give out.
Yeah, you know, a lot of the LEDs, it's either a linear LED or a pulse width moderated LED, which is a switching regulator. And that being said, a lot of the RVers, they make mistakes when they just buy anything. This is not Home Depot, so if they buy a unsuppressed pulse width moderated LED product for their RV and it gives them static in their radio and your TV channels fade away, then the only solution is just throw them in the trash can and start over. And it's not a cheap Chinese product. It's just that the person that bought it from China didn't tell the engineers what he wanted. And that's as simple as that, guys. I mean, there's no secret to any of this. We use Ohm's law to set the resistance values to the LEDs, and you know, it's that way on Mars or any place else that you go. So,
and you were telling me that if you don't have the light here, that you have other places. I noticed you've got a website here, www.rvledlights.com. But if you don't have it, then you can, if you know, then you'll tell them where they can go, right?
yeah, you know, I mean, we do this because we like doing it. So, you know, we help other RVers find parts. I know a lot of people in the industry, so we can help you direct to the right particular part for your solution. Not just anything, but we try to help you get something where you can fix it and walk away. Basically, that's what you want.
I'm Ryan Simmons, and we're actually the original 50% discount camping club. We started in 1992. So we're not a fly-by-night. We've been doing this for a long time. We currently have quite a few campgrounds, over 1,000 parks throughout the United States, scattered out throughout the United States. As you can see, they're along interstate highways, not far off the beaten path, and all your hot spots like Branson, Missouri, Pigeon Forge, down in the Florida Keys. Just got one in Pigeon Forge. They're offering, I believe, a 3-night stay. So it's 50% off the regular rate. There's no maintenance fees. There's no home parks. There's no contracts involved. You're not locked into an expensive membership. It's just $49, and we've got a lot of show specials going on. And we've been working all the shows. So we work all the shows, and you know, we have a lot of happy members in the club. We sure do.
Yeah, I was telling Jeff, we've been members for like 7 years now, and we're always getting deals offered to us for each year. And
yeah.
So we don't, it's $49 to sign up, but we're not paying that anymore. We always get deals, and we sign up for multiple years, and
oh yeah,
whatever the case may be. So a lot of good things that way. The only restriction that I was telling him, sometimes some parks have more restrictions than others, so you just got to pay attention to that when you're looking to see if that's a good spot or not, right?
Yeah, there are limitations. We sort of let the parks do what works for them. There's a lot of areas like down in Naples in the winter months, Fort Myers, where you have a lot of snowbirds hovering down. They're full anyway, so you're not going to get in. You'll have a few restrictions down in those areas, but surprisingly, we have parks all over year-round that allow you to come all during the year. Most of them, it's getting a little better. Most of them are above 3 nights. So, you know, some of them let you stay a week, 2 weeks. Some of them let you stay as long as you want. So they tell you in the book, there's no surprises. They're going to let you know up front. So
yeah, I was surprised there's not just one night, right?
Yeah.
You can't, I mean, most of them are going to offer more availability. You can stay one night,
right?
Sometimes you can get a monthly rate, sometimes you can get a weekly rate, whatever. But
right, and because
anyway,
the membership, you're only looking at $49. You know, you will cover that and a couple of nights in savings. So
Yeah, if you save 50% off
it
some
don't take
park,
long.
it doesn't take long to pay
Absolutely.
for it. Right.
All right, this is the HOUSWIN diesel heater, and it's self-powered, so it runs on a gallon of diesel, and it does up to 2,000 BTUs. So it's portable. It only weighs less than 50 pounds, and right here, there's nothing connected to it. Right here, you want to come over here? So it's fully. There's no batteries. This is only for startup. There's nothing power in this unit, so it has a thermal generator inside, and it powers the fan.
Oh, really? Oh, interesting. Oh, yeah. It's got quite a bit of output on it.
Yeah, so anybody with a tent, a car, overland vehicle, this is probably going to be the most popular thing that everybody's on
And
to
it's
do
safe
with.
because the carbon monoxide stuff's outside the tent.
And
like
it-
here, this example of it right here, right?
Yes. Any DIY guy could probably even come up with more adaptation from, the side of a window to even like a camp trailer or a box trailer for even guys racing, but great overland product.
Yeah, I noticed there's a lot of individuals that camp in cars and whatever. Cars would be really good because they don't have a lot of room inside, right?
Right.
And,
Well, the nice
they
thing
can still
is,
stay warm.
the nice thing is like it's running right now, but like it's not burning my hand.
Interesting.
And this right here is,
Oh, okay. That's the exhaust, but you
Correct.
got iron grip hands, or no?
that's it. Come over here. Do it yourself,
Okay.
right?
Oh, it's not even hardly warm.
Right. So this, you can adjust it down.
Okay.
So in certain areas you might want it down, but it's totally sealed off like an ammo can.
Oh, wow.
So just imagine at night it's secure. Inside is a 1 gallon diesel right here.
Okay.
So that's where you fill the
That's
diesel.
where you put the diesel.
Yep.
All right. And how long will that diesel run for?
Up to 15 hours
Wow.
on 1 gallon of
On
diesel.
1 gallon of diesel.
So all your propane heaters
Oh, yeah.
use considerable amount of propane.
Right. No, that's pretty good.
This has more features, so you can plug and you charge there's
Oh, so you got a USB on this
Yep.
particular model,
Yep, see right here?
so you can
turn
this
this
light
light
on. Oh, okay.
But the technology is a thermal generator, so it's literally, there's no cords plugged in here to operate the fan.
Okay. But this isn't something you would want to be running in your tent. It's still carbon
This
monoxide.
this would be outside your tent,
Okay.
and then that's why we have the ducting,
Yeah.
and then you just pipe that into your tent.
Okay.
So it's, I think, more safe
Right.
as a, like any type of propane, like that's going to burn up carbon monoxide in your tent.
Right.
All this stays outside, but it's very low emissions. Like it's nothing.
Well, hello folks. Welcome to Happy Campers. Happy Campers is a black and gray tank treatment. I love it, especially because you don't have to use RV toilet paper. You save a lot of money doing that, and it's just a lot more comfortable. Happy Campers is also very economical in that each scoop in this particular container, which is 64 treatments, each scoop is only 78 cents. And that treats your 30 to 50 gallon tank. We love it because it is absolutely odor-free, inexpensive, and it works every time. We've got a lot of people that really believe in our product and come right back to the RV show here in QUARTZSITE to talk to us about it and to restock their supply. We also have another product in case you were to ever to buy an RV that had a used RV that had a problem when you buy it. Sometimes there's a lingering odor and people just can't seem to get rid of it. And so what we do is we recommend that they do a deep clean on their tank with this treatment here. It's called Extreme. And what you do is you dissolve the entire tub into water and fill your tank up about a third of the way. By the way, we recommend that you empty the tank out and start fresh. Then you fill it up about a third of the way and fully dissolve this container. and then leave it in the tank for at least 24 hours, even drive down the road, slosh it around a little bit, and get a good deep clean on that tank and eliminate any kind of lingering odors that you might have. We've also had people that have problems that are a little bit more involved than that, and we've helped them with this treatment. You just need to give us a call and talk to us about it, and we can help you with that. But for now, it's Ken and Pam at the QUARTZSITE RV show, and we've got plenty of stock here for you. Come visit us. We'd love to help you out with your RV and get rid of any odors that you have, and we just appreciate helping people out. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Larry Lord, representing the Arizona Sunriders and also QUARTZSITE Chamber of Commerce. I'm president of the Chamber of Commerce. We're doing a off-road expo here on February 15th and 16th on Main Street, just about across the freeway from where the big tent is right now. Gonna have a lot of vendors. We'll have some planned rides. We'll have live music and a lot of good stuff. So if you can, come on out.
I'm Jaime Martinez. We are from Riverside Off Road, selling Jeep parts.
These are all so this is for Jeeps or off-road vehicles?
Yeah, Jeeps and off-road vehicles, whips, chase lights, side mirrors.
Yeah, you have a pretty good selection of everything here. That's what's pretty impressive. So you're out of where? Riverside, California?
Riverside, California.
Okay. And you're here for the week just selling all these different products?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, cool. Is there any special ones that are really cool?
We sell a lot of the chase lights because our prices are good.
The most popular thing right now that you're selling is the lights?
The lights, the whips, the chase lights, side mirrors for the UTVs.
This is our 7th day.
Yes.
We have now completed 7 days. We got 2 more days to go.
Week.
We have had some pretty interesting interviews today. More things planned tomorrow. And remember, you know, we have a whole playlist of things that we've been doing at QUARTZSITE for the last couple of years. So a lot of vendors that we have interviewed before, we are not talking to them this year because they're still here. They're still doing the same thing. Well,
some of them are our friends.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we're friends with everybody here. You get to know everybody at the show. But anyway, we'll try to come up with some
coffee people, the popcorn people.
We'll try to come up with some people that we can interview tomorrow for you to give you some more deals.
Massaging things people, that's a good one.
Hopefully you have enjoyed the ones that we have presented today. That's the whole goal there. We are here with RV Life, representing them here at the show, booth 319. Please come by and see us. We are doing basically training every day. So every time someone comes up, I show them how to do everything. So if you have questions, come by and see us. So otherwise, we'll just plan on seeing you down the road or on the next video. So take care.